Hi friends, want your video to look like movies? Today I'll show you step by step how to create cinematic look in your videos. It's super easy, so let's start. First, set your frame rate to 24 fps. Why? Because movies are mostly shot in 24 fps. It's give that smooth cinematic motion. So in your camera or editing software, choose 24 fps. Go to project panel, click on sequence, then move to the setting option, then change the frame rate. Go to time bus, and here you can see lot of sequence 10 to 60 fps. I choose 24 frame here and hit the OK button. Second part, aspect ratio. Next, let's make it looks wide like a film. Change your aspect ratio to 2.35.1. Then drag your video to timeline. Go to import and choose the video. Drop it on the video in the timeline. Next, let's make it look wide like a film. Change your aspect ratio to 2.35.1 or just add black bars. Letterbox, top and bottom. You can do it using an overlay or just crop effect on your editor. Go to effect panel and search crop effect. Drop it the crop effect on the video, then go to effect control panels. Now here you can see the crop effect. Increase the top value 10%, then bottom value 10%. Now here you can see the black borders. Now time to color your videos. Use LUTs or manual color grading to add mood. Go for warm, go to the Luminosity color panel and try deepen on LUTs. Go for on chrome for sunset scenes or blue the dynamic fields. Make shadow to darker. And highlight to soften. Then I will try blue background a little. This is called depth or field. Use wide aperture if you are using a camera like f1.8 if you are using a camera, or blur background in post using max if shooting on phone. Now let's talk about lighting. Soft light looks best. Use softbox or just bounce light. Off a well. Avoid direct harsh lighting on face. Use shadow for more drama. Next, add a bit of camera movement. Solo pan or pass in looks cinematic. Using tripod or gimbal for smooth shots. Even handle works if it's slow and steady. Almost done, but don't forget good sound. Go to project panel and input your sound. I'll choose this sound. Use cinematic background music and add ambient sounds to make it feel real. I'll choose otter sound here because this video see in the sea. Choose any sound you like. I'll select this sound here and drop it here. If I play the video, you will see the full effect. Here is the background sound. And this is the ambient sounds. If I enable both and play the video. Finally, watch your full videos and make small changes. Does it feel like a movie? Fix the color and add some film grain if you like. And that's it. You made your video looks like a movie. If you learned something new, give like and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tips. See you in the next video.